Welcome to another adventure. We've been on this incredible journey through Tawi-Tawi, exploring the stunning islands on our boat tour. And now, for the second part of our trip, we're heading to a place of immense historical and cultural significance, the very first mosque in the Philippines. Tawi-Tawi holds this unique distinction because of its location. It's the gateway to the Philippines from the south, and for centuries, it was a hub for trade and cultural exchange with neighboring Islamic sultanates. According to historical accounts, Islam was introduced to the Philippines in the 14th century by an Arab missionary named Sheikh Karimul Maktoum. He arrived in Simunul Island, Tawi-Tawi, and established the first ever mosque here in 1380. As we stepped into the island where history was made, we were reminded of the importance of respect. We changed into our proper attire as a sign of reverence for this sacred place, ready to enter the Sheikh Karimul Maktoum Mosque and witness a living piece of our nation's past. So we are now in the spot where the first mosque in the Philippines was built in the 1300s, and this was the gateway for Islam in the country.
So it was established in the year 1300. So may pumunta dito na Arab missionary na nanggaling sa sa northern part of Saudi Arabia, which is presently the country of Yemen. So pito sila pumunta dito and they call themselves the Maktoumins. So yung iba is nanggaling sa Shams, yung iba galing sa Saudi Arabia itself. Yung iba is yung isa is galing sa Oman, Muscat, and the purpose was to spread the teaching of Islam. So that was circa 1300. So pumunta sila dito and they thought they are still in the vicinity or the country of Malacca, which is presently the country of Malaysia. So hindi nila alam sa baluarte na sila ng Pilipinas. And so they saw this island. That time, pangalan pa ng island was Timbangkang. It's a name of a tree. So technically speaking, ang mga tao pa dito is wala pa talaga silang alam about the religion. Mga pagans pa sila. And but we do have already that time, we do have already identity. We do have already identity. We call ourselves as Sama. So ang Sama kasi is divided into two. We have the Sama Dilao, which is the Bajau people or the Sea Gypsies, and the Sama Dalea, which is the Sama people living in the land like us. So nagpalutang-lutang sila dyan sa may shoreline ng Timbangkang. So hanggang nakita sila ng community leader, we call it Ipanglima. So pinapasok sila dito, winelcome, pinakain, pinatulog, binilisan. So until such time na inintroduce nila, inunti-unti na inintroduce ang Islam. The good thing was, hindi na bago sa mga tao dito before na kung ano ang Islam. Kasi daungan din kasi siya ng mga traders na nanggaling sa China. Kasi pupunta sila sa Shams at pupunta sila sa Saudi Arabia. So, the good thing is, yung community leader is, siya mismo ang nag-convert sa Islam and nag-follow lahat. Technically speaking, yung mga kauna-unahang Muslim people is from this island. Until also, they changed the name of Timbangkang to Simunul because Simunul is derived from two Arab words, which is Ismu and Mor. Ismu it means my name, and Mor is light. So accordingly, we are the people from the light. So until tumulong na sila to spread kung ano ang mga turo ng Islam. Pumunta sila sa iba't ibang island. So galing sila ng municipality dito sa Tawi-Tawi because that time it was Jawi-Jawi pa. Yeah. And Simunul that time was part of Sulu and Tawi-Tawi was part of Sulu pa. And nakapunta sila as far as northern part ng Pilipinas. So according to our historians, naging Muslims talaga ang mga Pilipino before until it was introduced Christianity during the time of Magellan 1500, something ganun. So pareho until napag-isipan nila, why don't we just build a mosque? So nagpatayo sila ng mosque noong the year 1380. So ito na yung ganito lang siya kalaki ang mosque. So tulong-tulong sila nagpatayo nito, nag-ukit sila, tapos yung mga kahoy is galing din dito, and sila mismo ang nag-ukit. Just imagine 657 years ago, and this is only made of wood. So we call this wood is Ipil, sa Tagalog is Ipil, but this is also part of Asian ironwood. So ginawa namin siya ganito because there are some preachers from other country, even the locals also before, na part of culture kasi na hinahag nila, especially from this from this island. Usually pag lumalabas sila dito is nagpapaalam sila, kasi we all know Muslims is pagka namatay yan within 24 hours nililibing na, so they are asking blessings siguro na sana if nasa ibang lugar sila, papabalikin pa rin sila dito sa lugar na to at gusto pa rin nila mamamatay dito. So yun lang po, just enjoy. If you want to take a photo, no problem, kasi magpa-pray na ata din tayo maya-maya. If you want also to see the original picture po,